Here's my bad boy, Lukey. Say hi, Lukey. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. What you got, your rattle? Do you have your rattle? Oh, we got some noise going on over here from Liam. Hi, Liam. Hi, Liam. I can finally tell them apart most days without looking at their bracelets. Isn't that right, Liam? Isn't that right? Yeah? Can you smile? You got a smile? Do you have a smile? You got smiles for Mama? Yeah. Yeah. What's Lukey doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Besides being cute. What else you got for me? You got anything else but cuteness? No? Only cuteness? Liam's cute. Liam's cute. Yes, he is. Yeah. Yeah. He's not shy for the camera. No way. He's not shy for the camera. Yeah. He's attacking his brother, like usual. Luke still has the same look on his face. I think he's getting sleepy. Are you getting sleepy? Are you getting sleepy? Yeah? Yeah? Liam, you're just full of smiles. You're just full of smiles. Yeah. Luke, he's not. He was before I turned the camera on. Uh-oh. What's going on over there? What's going on over there? What's going on? Do you have smiles? I know you do. Are you being camera shy? No. Lukey's not camera shy. Show us a smile. Where's the smiles? No smiles from Lukey. But Liam. All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Lukey. Permanent poker face. All right. Bye-bye.